A string is a sequence of characters. In Java, strings are objects. We learned that we need a class to create objects. So, where is the string class? String class is a built-in class, comes with Java library. We can use the string class to create and modify strings. So, how to create a string in Java? There are two ways to do it. Out of them, the most common way is using string literal. Whenever the compiler sees a string literal in your code, it creates a string object with the value given in the literal. Let us move to Eclipse again and open first app.java file. I will delete these code lines first. Let us type string. Don't forget to put capital S. Name equals Bob. In this case, the compiler will create a string object of the value Bob. We can use that in a system.out.println statement directly. Like this. A string literal can be more than one word. As an example, let us type string advice equal be well and happy. Compiler will create a string object for this value too. And we can use it similarly in an output stream like this. Shall we run this code to see the output? Very good. Now, I told you that there are two ways of creating string objects in Java. The second way is using new keyword to create a string object, like we created objects from our classes during previous lessons. Let us comment these lines now, so compiler will ignore them when compiling. And now, I am creating a string object using new keyword. String, let us say name equal new string. Now, within brackets, within quotes, Bob. Let us show another example. String advice equal new string. Now, within brackets, within quotes, type be well and happy. They will give same results. As we used same names for the string objects, we don't have to do any change here. Let us compile and run the code. Well done, has given the same result. Now, you may ask me a question, why we have two ways of doing the same thing? In the first easier method, when we try to create a new object of a string literal, if an object with same value already exists in the memory, rather than creating a new object, compiler will assign the old object to the new object reference. But, if you follow the second method, that means creating string objects using new keyword, the compiler will always create a new object. Alright. We are going to conclude this lesson. From next lessons, we will learn to use methods of string class to manipulate strings in Java programs.